Hi guys, this is Manoj and Kamat. I'm here with yet another composition of mine. This poem is dedicated to all the children. In fact, this is the Children's Day special poem. Name of the poem, I See My Future. Every child is unique. We compare the child to the other children, bully them, so the child feels inferior. But every child has the potential to win the world. The poem goes like this. I see my future. Don't hurt my feelings. Never try to bully. Don't hurt my feelings. Never try to bully. I'm an innocent soul. Sometimes I act silly. I'm an innocent soul. Sometimes I act silly. Let my wings of liberty gasp the breath of purity. Let my wings of liberty gasp a breath of purity. Don't humiliate me to impair my dignity. Don't humiliate me to impair my dignity. In my tiny eyes, you would find honesty. In my tiny eyes, you would find honesty and unexplained memories of juvenile serendipity. And unexplained memories of juvenile serendipity. Let me play and learn to experience. Let me play and learn to experience. Find my destiny, seek goodwill and the perseverance. Find my destiny, seek goodwill and the perseverance. One day I would reach up to your expectations. One day I would reach up to your expectations. Face this world with courage and outshine for good reasons. Face this world with courage and outshine for good reasons. I see my future bright and clear. I see my future bright and clear. Let me live and act without any fear. Let me live and act without any fear. I see my own future. I see my own future. Thank you so much.